Hello friend, welcome to edenbrain.com. Today we'll see a question on NFA, and the question says that construct NFA for A's and B's where fifth symbol from left hand side is A. I hope you remember the same question is done for DFA. Now let's see for NFA how it is. Is it really simple or not? We will say it. Again, use the same technique. You can have a language here, and see, the language is not that important now in case of NFA, but still let's have the language. What will be the language? At least one string we will have fifth symbol from the left hand side, means from the left hand side the fifth symbol should be A. So this is one, right? Maybe this is another. Like this you might have an infinite language again. Now how to have fifth symbol from left hand side? So it's simple. Now what my job is to accept something like this, and the fifth symbol should be A. That's it. So let's have it. Let's start. This is the first state, this will be second, third, fourth, and this will be the fifth state. Let's see what happens. I will either accept A or B. I will either accept A or B. I will accept A or B, means 3 A's and B's are accepted. This is the fourth A and B. Now the fifth part of the string which will go to the final state will be definitely A. Means from the left hand side the fifth symbol will be A, right? And now if anything comes out after this, I am not worried about. So what I will do, I will put a loop of AB, right? And now see, you can see this. I will give some names to these states. You can see one more thing here. Date states are not required in NFA. So make a note of it. Note, date states are not required in NFA. Why? Because I'm not worried about B here. I'm not worried about B. Whether B comes or not doesn't matter. I am not deterministic in nature. It can say something like this. So I hope this is the final answer for this. But in case of DFA, let's say if you want to draw this as a DFA, you have to have a dead state. So means in case of DFA, dead state is compulsory on SPI state. I hope you understood this. Stay tuned to our channel. Please subscribe it for the further videos. If you liked it, please like this video and do comment into the comment section for any queries. I will get back to you. Thank you very much.